This review is of Deep Recipes of South India ribbon pakodi, spiced rice and chickpea crackers. Well, marginally spiced, I'm guessing from the ingredients list. Okay, so there are the blurbs. There's nothing special about this product. And here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Okay, so as you can see, there's not a lot of in the way of like flavoring in here. So it's got salt, red chili powder, and asafoetida. And it claims it says here it contains sesame, but sesame isn't on the list. A half a cup of this stuff has 160 calories, 10 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no cholesterol, 170 milligrams of sodium, which is lower than some of the other things I've been trying, but still high, high enough. 15 grams of carbs, no dietary fiber or sugar, and 3 grams of protein. So, compared to some of the other stuff, this is better than usual, but still, this is a processed food. Processed foods are not something that you should be eating on a regular basis. I can smell the asafoetida. Asafoetida. I can't say that word yet. Asafoetida. Asafoetida. Okay, I think I've got it now. It has a kind of a, yeah, you can kind of smell that. And don't ever eat asafoetida plain, because that stuff is so disgusting. So, I can kind of taste the salt and the asafoetida. Oh my gosh. And after getting a few of these in my mouth, I can taste the chili pepper powder. It's pretty mild. It's okay, but it's not anything special. I would certainly want to, well, it's pretty crushed up in there. But I would certainly want to have something to dip this into or serve this with, maybe put on top of it or something like that. Because just like this, it just, I don't know, it isn't really exciting. It's okay. I'll give it a 6, but it's just not a thrill to eat this. But it's okay. At least it isn't like that other one that was just kind of blah. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.